Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the sound. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down to find this section which is connected with the ringtones and any other stuff connected with the sounds, and then we can either tap on first or the second SIM card, which means that we can set totally different ringtone for both cards, which is quite useful. Let me show you how to do it using the first ringtone, and as you can see, after tapping we will have this pop-out window with available defaultly installed ringtones. At the top we've got the option none, which means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got this add ringtone option, which simply means that we will be transferred to our own files. If you will have anything, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So just let me volume it down. You can check whether you like them or not. And after deciding, simply make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.